The Power BI DAX tutorial series. In this tutorial we will see how to calculate total MTD, total QTD and total YTD in Power BI DAX. In the previous tutorial we have seen how to use the calculated function in Power BI. So before proceeding with this tutorial, I recommend please watch part 6 of this tutorial series. So let's see what is the total MTD, QTD and YTD in Power BI. So basically these total MTD, QTD and YTDs indicate to the specific to the date. Basically MTD is indicate to the month to date, total month to date, QTD for total quarter to date and YTD indicate to the total year to date, meaning I want a kind of a calculation which give me the cumulative sum basically as per my monthly basis or quarterly basis or the yearly basis. I want sum of the quantity, cumulative sum of the quantity as the monthly, quarterly or yearly basis. Then we go for these kind of the function. So basically when we use these kind of the function, they expect first parameter as a expression, then a date column and then filter, what kind of the filter you want, and then we do the calculation. So in a bit we will understand with an action and we will create the kind of the expression and we will see how we use these into the Power BI DAX. So let's go to the Power BI, and here what I will do, I will take one table, and in this table what I will do, I will take the date column, and with this date column I will take the quantity as well, and let's increase the item size basically for this date column. So let's increase the values. So from here we can increase the values basically, and let's take it little up so we can see it properly. So basically here what is happening, on 2016 year for the January month, first day the total quantity of the selling is 6, then total quantity of the selling or the second day is 6. So what is the meaning of the cumulative? The meaning of the cumulative is I want total number of the sales quantity on the fourth day, then what will be the sum? The sum will be on the first day is the 6, then second day is the 6 of the previous day, and then 6 means the total quantity of selling quantity of the second day is the total is the 12, then third day is the 18, and then same fashion. So MTD basically indicate for the month to date, in the sense for this January month how much is the total cumulative quantity it will give. So that is the cumulative, and in that way MTD, QTD and YTD works. So let's create the expression, and for creating the expression we have to take the new measure, and here what we can take the MTD, and the function name is the total MTD, and here it take the expression, and we are taking the expression of sum of the quantity. So let's select the quantity, and then let's take the date column, and once we will take this date column basically, so here comma date record, okay, comma, sorry. So here basically here we have taken two brackets, so let's remove one and then comma records, and what date column we need, and the filter, what kind of the filter you want, date, day, month. So we are taking the date column. In the coming tutorial we will understand what is the meaning of the different type of these filters, we will understand. So as of now we have selected the date filter. So what is the expression basically here we have taken here. So for increasing the font size of this expression, what you can do, you can shift plus, so sorry, control plus, you can do control plus, so it will increase the size and we can see it properly. So what we have done, the total MTD, and then it take the expression. So we have taken the expression as a sum of the quantity, basically here sum of the quantity, and then the date, basically date column, and the filter we have selected here. So after selecting, hit enter. So once we'll hit enter, what it will do, it will create a one measure column, and we can see that measure column here. And once I will select this measure column into this table, so let's select this measure column, and we can see like it is calculating like 6, then on the second day 12, because the 6 and 6 is the 12, then third day 18, 26. In similar fashion it is calculating, and on the last day of this January month we'll see like it will show the total of this. Like we can see the total is 193, and then from February it started from again, like from the 6 only it started. It means like this total MTD works for the monthly basis, like cumulative sum it is doing for a specific month. Then from the February it started again, like cumulative sum again it started like 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and till last day of the February it will do the calculation, and from the March again it will start. So in that way this MTD works. Now in similar fashion QTD also work, that do the calculation as a quarterly basis. So let's, what I will do, let's go to this modeling and new measure, and here we will do the calculation for QTD. And here in this QTD, let's total QTD and then sum of the quantity basically here, and let's select the like a quantity column from here, then close this, comma, records is the sheet name, and from here the date column dot date, and hit enter. So once I will hit enter, we will see, like let's first take it into this table, and let's take this as a QTD, and once I will select it and let's expand it little here, and once I will hit like expand it, now it will do the calculation as a quarterly. So in the first quarter, like how much it comes as a January, February and March. Like we can see it started from the 6, 12, 18, and when we will see last day of this like January month, we can see, like let's see for the January month here, like for this MTD it is calculating, like it started from again, but for this QTD it is calculating because it is a quarterly basis. And when we will go on the third quarter here, so let's go to like third month of the first quarter is the March basically, like it's a quarter 1 here, and from here we can see like till 31st March it is doing the calculation as a cumulative calculation, and from the quarter 2 it started from the 1st April and it started again from here. So it is doing the calculation as a quarterly basis. In the similar fashion, if we want to do the calculation as a yearly basis, that also we can do in the same similar, like in the same type of the function we have to use. The function name is a different, like total YTD. So total YTD we have to select, then sum of the, like what kind of the column you want to do the expression, and from here you have to select the date column and then filter. And once I will do that, and let's take this YTD into this table. So as a yearly basis, like it will do the calculation for like this YTD basically. And if I will like as a yearly basis, it is doing the calculation, and we can see the calculation, like let's see for the 16 it will do the full calculation. Let's take December, and we can see like till December it is doing the calculation, and from this 2017 first it started again. So this is the way of calculating the basically MTD, QTD and YTD in Power BI DAX, like based on like as per your requirement, like how we want the total with respect to the date. We select the particular like expression, or we can say the calculated function in Power BI DAX. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.